From this video you will learn how to cook baked chocolate custard. For 5 small custards use 1 pint of milk, 2 eggs, 1 ounce of chocolate, 1/4 of a teaspoonful of salt, and a piece of stick cinnamon about an inch long. Put the cinnamon and milk in the double boiler, place on the fire and cook for 10 minutes. Shave the chocolate, and put it in a small pan with 3 tablespoonfuls of sugar and 1 of boiling water. Stir this over a hot fire until smooth and glossy, and then stir it into the hot milk, after which take the liquid mixture from the fire and cool. Beat together with a spoon the eggs, salt and 2 tablespoonfuls of the sugar. Add the cooled milk and strain. Pour the mixture into the cups, which place in a deep pan. Pour into the pan enough tepid water to come nearly to the top of the cups. Bake in a moderate oven until firm in the center. It will take about half an hour. Test by running a knife through the center. If the custard is milky, it is not done. Serve very cold. Happy cooking and bon appétit! Please subscribe for more videos and thank you for watching.